What's going on, everybody? You never know where you're going to end up. Check this out. I'm doing a Ford valve body on this transit van, this big diesel transit van here. But I ended up getting over to this shop called 501 Performance. Check this out. 501 Performance. They let me take a look at their shop here. I want to show you what's going on. They got all kinds of cool stuff. They rebuild high performance transmissions and torque converters especially. If you check this out, we got the big old lathes over here. Big mamba jamba stuff going on. Check that out. I believe they spin up some converters on this one. I'm not sure what all goes on here, but I found this very interesting. They have a torque converter clutch oven. Check this out. They actually have the plates down here that hold the bottom of the torque converter clutch, or should I say this end of the converter. They put it inside this oven. It's got a big ram that presses down. They bake it at I think 400 degrees Fahrenheit or so. So that's pretty neat stuff. They got a stack of converter clutches here. The gentleman was showing me, Bubba was showing me, they have glue on the one side, so you stick it down, heat and pressure puts these things in their spot. So just taking a look around at this shop, pretty cool stuff. I want to show you guys what's going on. They've got the, I believe this is the automatic welder over here. This thing, they're just welding a little bit ago. This thing will spin the converter and weld it back together. All right, so they got a big lathe over here that they cut the converters open with, and pretty cool stuff. I just want to take you for a tour, show you the cool stuff I'm seeing today. I find this stuff very interesting. So we got Bubba over here. He is the boss of the place.
No,
not the boss. All right, so
yeah, so this is where we cut them.
Okay, so they cut the converters open right here, and that's a monster lathe, man.
Warner Swayze 2A from back in World War II.
Wow.
This thing probably sat in the IX Center making tank parts.
Wow, pretty cool stuff.
Yeah.
You do high performance transmissions, Bubba, and
Yes.
what else?
High performance torque converters.
Okay.
We are a one-stop shop for performance. We build the transmission and converter in-house.
They make it all right here.
Yes, sir. And we do a lot of high performance heavy-duty diesel for tuned and deleted. Mostly Cummins. We do a lot of Cummins stuff.
Awesome.
The 6-speed 68 RFE Cummins transmission. Logan's got a recipe for them. We got them living in some really high-powered stuff.
That's awesome. Those tunes and stuff they put in those are crazy. So
That's a transmission testing machine right there.
Look at this, a Dino for the transmissions. If you like to walk this way. So they actually have over on the other side, over this way, they have the pressure gauges and stuff that go for this dyno. But check this out, they got the little crane, so they get the transmission mounted up and do the testing. And what kind of engine do we have running this dyno?
Chevy.
Oh wow, is that a 229?
Yeah.
Oh wow, I had a 229 in my 80 Malibu.
Yep.
Oh.
They last forever.
Yeah.
Actually, we're just in the process of getting this thing finished hooked up.
Well, that's very cool.
Yeah, it'll be running soon, very soon. But
Awesome.
as you look around here, you see a ton of equipment. This is a very high intense labor job. Everything we do, it's heavy labor.
Heavy lifting, heavy machinery, and heavy everything. What do you guys do with these two lathes over here?
This is where we weld all the new parts in. So if you come over here, these are the components to build a high-performance torque converter. This particular one is for a GM. So we have a billet steel cover, all obviously real heavy duty. So these centers are we bore these out, and we put the new center in, chrome moly hardened. And once this is in place, we put it in that machine you were just asking about, and we zip a weld around here.
Wow.
And that welds that in solid.
Well, very cool stuff. And they can find you at perfectconverterco.com.
Yep.
I'll put the link in the description for you all.
Yep. Or our Facebook page. We answer Messenger regularly.
Awesome. Bubba, thanks a lot for letting me take a quick tour. You guys have a good day.
You too. Good day.